we're gonna be doing a Christmas theme, by the way. So, what are we waiting for? Okay. First, we are gonna be using this for my eyebrows. I think they said. Does pencil even work, or is it for like the outside of your lips? I don't work here. Okay, I guess it's for the eyebrows. I do not work here, so we're not gonna use these. We're gonna use the black one for my eyebrows. The black pencil this time, so. Oh, this is washable. I look stupid now. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what the hell? Okay, we're gonna have to. It's off. Is this off? Oh, it was for like to do like a whoop. There. Oh. Okay, we're not gonna do that. Okay, we're down. I'm so sorry about. Well, I have lots of things that we're gonna be using, like this. These are sharpeners for like, put my finger into the sharpener and it hurt. So the theme is Christmas. So, what are we waiting for? Oh my god, could it's open? Oh, it's like a little tag we have to use. See? Pretty. Like you guys. I'm too concentrated. Well, yeah, so I'm gonna tell you some stories about my bullies and stuff that I have in the stand up for them. Oh yeah, so I lost all my friends yesterday because this dumb girl, like, bro, stealing all the friend, bro. I'm sad about that one for sure. And I'm just gonna put the baby wipe in there. Okay. And then I got hurt at recess. Like, bro, it still won't make me, by the way. It was bleeding a lot. So yeah, and then my friend, right? I was cheering up the girl when she was fake crying, and her name was Ariana, and the girl's name, who was helping her, is named Penelope. She is like such a dumb girl, like, bro. Like, okay, I can't open my mouth for the moment because I don't want to get lipstick on my. Oh my god, can my hand stay still? There we go. There we go. So now I'm done with that. We could go back to the video. So And that is what happened. Yeah, but I have more stories. Bro, cut this open. Okay, I have to. Okay, we're not gonna use this because I can't open it. Oh yeah, I have my daddy. Mama! I need to grab all these powders because you don't want to see it, but I'm gonna show you anyways. The mess. Wait. Oh shoot, I'm just showing my pants. See this, guys? Do you see it? I made a mess. Oh shoot, I don't know how to fix it up again. There we go. Then, wait, what story was I telling you? Oh my god, I forgot. We're definitely not using these powders because it made a huge mess. Oh yeah, the thing was Christmas, so I'm gonna be using this pretty lip gloss. So there was powder there. Oh, I'm so dumb. At least we're watching my bed sheets today. Okay. Bah, bah, bah. Oh yeah, so at preschool, I used to get bullied, like this huge bully used to come fight, like fight. I was like, boy, you wanna fight me? And I actually fighted him. And I won. Guys, just kidding. I would never go into a fight. Yeah, but I actually got bullied. But I never told the teacher because, as you know, he would get mad at me. I'm like, I don't want to tell the teacher. He's gonna get mad at me again. But I think he likes me because, yeah, and blah, blah, blah. So, and then, oh my god. Here's the powder I used. But we're gonna throw these away. Wait, okay. This is a mirror, but we can use these for. These are just pencils for my eyebrows. Oh my god. Okay, and we are gonna just put this on my. There we go. That's perfect. Like little lines, like a little swirly lines. Perfect. Then we're gonna color. And you see this, guys? I know you can't really see it because blah blah blah. And we're gonna use this other pencil to color this end. I have sensitive skin, so I don't really think we should color it in. We're not gonna color it in because I have asthma. I need to sharpen this pencil. It's a good thing it came with a sharpener. Wait, where did the sharpener go? Here it is. I'm gonna have to. It came with this little box that came with it, so I'm gonna put it into the little hole and sharpen this. I'll just sharpen my pencil soon, and I just got this today. Little piece came off. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna keep the sharpener in here. Wee. Okay, I need to close this up. And now we're going to be using these eyeshadows. Oh yeah, I'm going to draw like a little Santa Claus on my lipstick, guys. I know I shouldn't be doing this. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Sorry guys, I got that song stuck in my head. Santa Claus. I know I shouldn't be doing this, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping all these makeup stuff. Vacation, woo, bringing these. Trip, bringing these. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this. La la la. La 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 la.